Hello everyone, I'm Vijaya and today we are going to study the first chapter of class 11 NCERT Geography, which is Geography as a Discipline. Okay, Geography as a discipline we are going to study. Okay, now earlier also we have studied about geography, right? From till class 6 till class 10 we have studied about geography. Okay, now if you belong from a stable background, you'll notice that we study geography as a discipline of social science and not geography as a different subject. Whereas if you belong from a CBSE or ICSE board probably, then you will study geography as a different subject. Geography is a different subject, political science is a different subject, and history is a different subject, okay? If I'm not mistaken. Now, in your higher studies, okay, in 11, 12, or when you do graduation or masters, you'll find that if you pick geography as your own subject, okay, you're going to study geography as a different subject, okay. It will not be a part of the social science subject, but rather you will study as a different subject. Now, the question is, why should we study geography as a different subject? What is its importance? Okay. So first thing is, we live on the surface of the earth. Where are we living now? Are we living on Mars? Are we living on Jupiter? No. We live on the Earth's surface, right? The hills, the mountains, the plains, the plateaus that we see. We live on it, right? So we live on the Earth's surface. Now, we all know we have evolved over time, over time and space, we have evolved, right? Now, earlier, what used to happen is, in the primitive societies, the needs and wants of people were limited. We needed some food that we could survive on. We need a place to live, and we need something to cover our body, clothing. Those were our basic necessities. Now, in the present circumstances, in the 21st century, is it possible for us without the basic amenities? We require television, mobile phones, ACs. Those are our basic necessities, right? Fan, ACs, even the food habits has evolved over time. Earlier the early men used to have raw meat, right? And edible plants. Nowadays what happens? People are more and more, even in terms of food habits also, or in terms of technologies, we are evolving. So over time, the technologies has evolved, okay? Our needs have become very different. Now, okay, I'm explaining all these things to make you better understand what is the need of geography. Okay. Now, next we have is weather conditions. See, geographical factors have a very important role to play in weather conditions. Okay. Why? Because see, if it rains, then in some states such as that of Assam, Andhra Pradesh, we experience flood. Even in Orissa also we experience lightning. All these are what? Geographical factors, isn't it? The mountains that we have, the hill stations we have, are they man-made? Say for example, Ladakh. We love places like Ladakh, Manali. These are all hill stations, right? Darjeeling. All these are hill stations. Now, are all these man-made? Are all these artificial features? Of course, some of the amenities that are provided there can be artificial. We can have guest houses or PGs, or all of this can be artificials. But places like Ladakh, the mountains, the river valleys, the plains, the plateaus, the deserts, can it be artificial? No. It is given to us by nature. So weather conditions. Now, why did we study all of these things? Because that is what we are going to look into in geography. We are going to look into detail about the physical features, okay? The physical features of the Earth's surface, the relationship of humans with that of the physical features, with that of physical features. Okay? Now, physical features, the mountains, the plains. Now, see, just to make your concept a bit more clear, okay? Now, suppose this is a mountain, okay? You are standing here and you need to reach at this point, okay? Now, is it possible for you to directly go like this and reach till here? Obviously no. In the mountains, we have the curved paths, right? Otherwise your vehicle will fall down, isn't it? So that is how geography impacts us, okay? The various types of food habits of the people, the technological advancements, all of this are more or less affected by geographical factors, okay? Now, let's just go outside of the topic to make you understand this a bit more better, okay? Now, see, in China is very big, but only in this part do humans live, okay? The rest of it is desert, okay? It is desert. So people, they cannot live here. Why? Physical factors, geographical factors, okay? That is the relationship. That is what we are going to study in geography, okay? Why is geography necessary? In order to better understand the surface of the earth, okay? In order to better understand the surface of the earth that we live in, that comes under physical factors, and also to analyze, to understand the relationship of humans with other physical features, our house patterns, our food habits, our technological advancements, all of this are more or less related to geography, okay? So that is what we are going to, so that is why it is necessary for us to study geography, alright? Now, next is what? Now that we have a rough idea of why we should study geography, let us move forward towards what. Okay? Our question is, what is geography? Okay? Geography is basically the study of the earth's surface, the description of the earth's surface. Okay? See, there is a very important line which has been written. The earth has provided us with this stage. Okay, it is written in their book. I do not remember the exact lines, but it was something like, the nature has provided, the earth has provided us with the stage, and it is up to us how we make use of that particular space which is provided to us. Okay, Ladakh, it is provided to us by nature, but we have converted it into a hill station, a tourist location. Okay, Manali, Shillong is also one, Manali, Darjeeling. All of this are provided to us by nature. We have just made use of it by converting it into a hill station. Okay, so basically, geography is the description of the earth. Okay, description. I hope I'm making sense to you now. The description of the earth's surface. And another important thing is who gave the concept, who first coined the term geography. It was coined by Eratosthenes. Okay, who was a Greek scholar. The time is given in the book, so kindly check the book. Eratosthenes, he first coined the term geography. Okay, let me write it here for you. Coined the term geography. Okay, well, geo means earth and graphy means description. So together it is description of the earth or description of the earth's surface. Okay. Now we have various branches in geography. Various branches in geography means there are various disciplines. Suppose for example, botany. It is the study of plants, right? Geology, the study of animals. Biology, the study of soils. Oceanography, the study of the oceanic surface. Climatology, the study of the climate. Okay? So, there are various disciplines in geography, and there are various disciplines in social science, such as that of economy, polity. We have taken the ideas. Geography, we cannot say it is one thing or the other, but rather we have taken the ideas from various subjects, be it economics, political science. Later sections, you will come to see that geography has various branches such as economic geography, political geography, historical geography, and lots of geography. So we have taken the ideas from various disciplines and we have presented description of the Earth's surface. Okay, so that is basically what geography is. I hope you are able to understand by now why do we need to study geography and what is geography. Why? Because we live on the surface of the Earth. Various phenomena that are happening on the Earth's surface, it is affected by geographical factors. Okay, be it rainfall, monsoon, snows, deserts, mountains, all of it is geography. And it is very important that we analyze the relationship between the physical environment and that of humans. So that is why we need to study geography. What geography basically means the description of the Earth. It has been borrowed from I don't remember its Latin or Greek, most probably it's Greek. Geo, which means Earth, and graphy, which means description. So basically description of the Earth's surface. Okay, and we have taken ideas from various sub-disciplines, be it economy, policy, history, oceanography, botany, everything. And we have presented our own ideas. So that is geography. Okay. Next, we will discuss how and the various sub-disciplines. We will move on further with the chapter. Okay. For here, we will stop here. Thank you. We'll stop here for today.